Now we go into the next method. It's a CMAP scan. For that, we use again the same position of the stimulation, but we need constantly standard stimulation, so we will use it's better to use other electrodes. Self-adhesive for copper electrodes for stimulation, because we need constant stimulation. And the points of the previously we set with median nerve, points of stimulation. So now we can go to our new second, again, median nerve, right? So this method is connected with stimulation. We set it with touch proof, or you can use classical DIN stimulation with other this. Now we will set DIN, change to touch proof. So we through methods we need a lot of compound muscle in potential. So first we set several stimulation for initial estimation of the level. So we can stimulate, find the okay. For example, 5, 10 initial stimulations. On this data, we will then generate stimulations program. And at first, initial. So, yes, okay. You can see here that it's at the curve. We can see its first line. It's a threshold response. We set it as a threshold response, and also we can see that is a supramaximal response. We set it as a maximal response, maximal supramaximal stimulation. So on these two parameters, program can let us to create stimulation protocol. So we can see it will be 500 stimulations between this intensity, between 6 and 19 milliamps, with stimulation frequency 2 Hz. Now, as I said, it's better used to adhesive or copper electrodes for stimulation because it's more stable. And we can start stimulation, repetitive stimulation. You can see it's gradual decreasing of intensity. up to, it will be up to threshold level. You can see we will wait 500 times. A little incremental answer, but now it will be decreasing. It's not very comfortable for patient, but not very painful. But compare with Munich methods, we don't need cooperation with patients, so gradually decreasing methods. Normally, it will be a very smooth curve without any big steps. So when patients have a big problem with motor neurons, it will be big gradual jumps in answers. Now you can see it goes very slow decreasing without any problem. Now it will, the amplitude of the answer will decrease more fast. Usually it takes about 5 minutes. Now we can see this main slope of the decreasing without big intervals. It's absolutely normal. We get a very nice curve. Without any problem. Let's wait, it's soon finished. Already contraction of the muscle much lower. A little longer. And now there are different methods to estimate of these steps. Mostly now it's scientific research mostly to estimate, for example, with lateral sclerosis. Very classical S shape of decreasing. And also this, we can very smooth position. The CMAP. Pound muscle.